Thanks for joining me for this episode of Beady Beads. This is actually a pit stop / vlog about my bead haul from my quick 24-hour trips in Los Angeles, where I was picked up and taken for ice cream by the usual suspects, Al and Brittany, who weren't pictured here.
I'm gonna record this video for my archives.
Oh my goodness.
This is Mika, Patty in the flesh.
Looking very homeless.
Homeless or hipster? Homeless or hipster? Hipster or homeless? Hipster or homeless? And so yeah.
So that was me right before I headed to Long Beach, straight from the airport, and my friends always, Cassie, took me to go bead shopping because whenever I'm in town, I want to pick up seed beads, colors I don't really have. I loved these kind of dark, giving very much autumn, late summer beads. These rondelle beads are really good quality opalite and pressed glass beads. I could not give it up. I just love the quality and I love the shape. They're great detail beads. Next, I was able to pick up these spears. These are usually end beads of some sort. I really want to start varying and creating more texture and design for my big pieces of beadwork. These were another of this glass that I really loved the color. These were these very sparkly globes. I don't really know what to do with these, but I wanted them. Next, I picked up another set of spears. I think I bought 2 or 3 of these. These are kind of the blue, sparkly labradorite ones that I really liked. Next, I picked up these matte and faceted beads that I really like. I also got more crystal beads that are really excellent quality. I think they're check, as well as these rainbow sky blue teardrop beads, which are super faceted, super shiny, really pretty. I bought 2 sets of this very beautiful kind of, I don't know what shape you would call this, but I really like the quality and the color of these beads. They're very elegant and I think they'll go nicely in some of the bridal work that I've been planning. Because I use a lot of seashells, I also bought more seashell and tiny faceted glass beads. And I think these were the star of the show, which were these like light purple tulip beads. They're gorgeous. It's so hard to pick up the quality of the purple on camera, but they are absolutely dazzling and subtle and beautiful. I got more crystal, like I said, more high quality crystal. I really liked these beads, and they also came with these super tiny faceted beads that are really beautiful. I also really liked these kind of clover crystal beads and rainbow, or AB as they're known, and they're just such high quality. They're beautiful. They're all the same shape. Again, more of the spears that I mentioned, but this time these are more traditional crystal. I think they have maybe a slight AB coating, but I can't really tell from my video. But like I said, I want to use them to create more texture and depth to some of the pieces that I'm going to be working on in the future. Next, I bought these giant seed beads. I think they're also called pony beads. Unfortunately, they are color lined, which means they're dyed in the center, as opposed to the process of using 2 different color glasses to create these. So I kind of gave it a scrape test to see if the lining would come off, and it did. Boo! So that sucks, but I'll find something unique to do with these. Also, I have these super tiny hematite beads. They are faceted, they're really beautiful, they're really high quality, and I love a good metal bead, and they're also really great as a add-on to some of the pieces I'm doing. Last but not least, I love a good crystal bottle. As you can see, there are a few things that are similar to some of the beads I bought, but I collect bottles, and I thought this would be a perfect addition to my collection. And also here are my friends, Cassie, John, who dropped me off at the airport, and that's it.